Hello everyone, let's see what I draw for sci-fi character this time. I use a symmetry for the sketching, so as you can see option 1 is kind of realistic flying in the air. Option 2, I was thinking about the character being more kind of challenging in her eyes. Option 3, sort of cartoonish light. Option 4, it's a different language with more fluid sort of idea. Option 5, this is more like a warrior style sci-fi. And option 6, it's sort of the mix like half realistic. So option 6 was chosen as a preferred option, and I went through the color, uh, playing with the color and with the design of the character further. So as you can see, it's like less armored. Option was number 1. Then the second one was like again like a hard looking lady, a sort of dangerous thing. And then I come up with the asymmetric sort of armor language. Then the next one was about the center area with of course with the short hair. And the third one, the last one was most armored one. Then as you can see, a basic model in Blender. I sketch on top of that, and this is the sketch that I come up with. Now it's a sketch render on top of that with some ideas. I thought it's a bit stiff when I trace the 3D and the way how I build the 3D. And for final design, I work a little bit more on the silhouette, make it more less stiff and more dynamic. Thank you very much for watching.